Good morning, everyone. Myself, Murali-Jenkins Reddy. In this video, we are going to discussing about how to reset the Jenkins user password. Remember, in case some of the organization, they may not use LDAP. Okay, if they are not using LDAP, they may maintaining users manually creating. Okay, you have only one user. You forget the particular user. How can set up that particular user password? How to reset? Okay, let's see the demo. For that one example, I have a Murali user, but I have forgotten the password. Okay, if you want to reset, what you have to do? First, you have to log into the Jenkins CLI. Okay, I have logged in and you go to the varlib Jenkins. This is the default path, right? Go to this location, and inside this location, we have a file. The file name is config.xml. Go to this config.xml, open. Okay, now here we have a use security. Okay, it is true. You have to keep it false and you have to restart the Jenkins. Okay, insert mode. If you want to reset the password, you have to keep this use security false and then you have to restart the Jenkins. Okay, insert mode. I am removing true to false. Okay, save it. Fine. Now I am restarting the Jenkins. How can restart? Systemctl restart Jenkins. Okay. Now it is going to restart. Now we can see here whether it is restarting or not. Just enter. Now if you see here, it is restarting. Okay, it may take a little bit time to come back that particular Jenkins UI. Okay. Now once restart is done, we have to reset the password. Okay. Any questions so far? Yeah, it is restart done, and we can see here. We can refresh this one. Yeah, still it is going on. Yeah, it is the GUI coming. If you observe here, currently it is not asking that particular login page. If you observe, okay, what you have to do? Go to the Manage Jenkins. If you go to the Manage Jenkins, okay, inside here you are not able to see the Manage users. The reason is you have to enable an option. Then only you can able to see the Manager user option here. Okay, so for that one, go to the global, configure global security. Click this one. Inside this particular path, you have a security relay. Select here. You have to select the Jenkins owner user database. Okay, select this one and you can apply save. Now once it is done, go to the Manage Jenkins. Now you are able to see the Manage Users option. Now you are able to see the Manage Users option. Click this one. Now here you have a user, right? Click this one. Now configure. Then you can change the password. Example, I'm changing the password here. Okay. Admin, I'm giving the password is admin. Okay, then apply and save. Now you can log in with your username and password. We have reset the password, right? Now you can log in with your new password. Okay, got it, right? This is the process of setting password. Remember, still I'm telling, if you in your project they are using LDAP, you don't require to reset the password because we will reset our user directly. We will be connect with our email ID only. So that is the reason we don't require to reset it like this. Okay. In case some of the project they may not use any specifically LDAP. They are just created one user, but they forgot the user. If that is the case, we have to reset the password like this. And one more thing, remember, in interview level, they will ask question, can we reset the password? Yes, you can reset. You have to tell the process first. You have to log into the that particular Jenkins server. Go to that varlib Jenkins, if it is the Jenkins default path, and go to the config.xml file. You have to use security. Default is true. You have to change it to false. Okay. Then you have to come to the Manage Jenkins, manage global security. Go to that and you have to select that particular option. Which option? That one, Manage Jenkins. Here, global security. Here, he claimed earlier it was none. Okay, now you have to select the Jenkins owner database. Then you can able to view the manage user option in. It will be enable the manage user option in Manage Jenkins. Okay, then you can change the password and you can log in with that particular password. And one more thing, once set the password, again if you go and check this config.xml, it will be back to true. It will be back to true. The reason is once you restart, right, once you done the setup, right, it will be back to true only. Okay, got it, right? I hope understand that. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. I will try to respond as soon as possible. Thanks for watching this video. We will see you next video.